In today's video, I'm going to show you how to list pages in Google Docs without the cover page and index. First, open a new document and then go to the menu up here and go to Insert and then go down to Page Numbers. Click on More Options and here you can select the position and the numbering of the page numbers. You can either put it as a header or as a footer, and you can select the number you're going to start with. Once you're okay with the changes, click on Apply. You can now go to Options and click on Footer Format. And here you can personalize the margins and the layout of the footers. Then click on Apply. You can now go to Options and select Page Numbers. Here you can personalize the position and the numbering of the page numbers and whether or not you want to show it on the first page or not. Then click on Apply. If you want to delete it, click on Options and then click on Remove Footer. And that's it. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe for more content like this. See you on the next one.